O glorious Saint Raphael, heavenly physician and guide, I ask for your intercession as I seek healing for my body, mind, and soul. Through your powerful intercession, may I experience the divine healing grace of God. Heal me from all physical ailments, strengthen my spirits, and lead me on the path of wholeness and well-being. Saint Raphael, pray for me. Amen. Saint Raphael, blessed guide of travelers and companion on life's journey, I humbly ask for your guidance and protection as I navigate the paths of life. Lead me away from danger and into the safety of God's loving embrace. Saint Raphael, be my guiding light. Amen. O blessed archangel Raphael, faithful servant and friend of God, please intercede for me in times of need. Obtain for me the graces and blessings I seek, according to the will of God. Saint Raphael, advocate and protector, hear my prayers and present them before the Lord. Amen.